Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. This is for you if you have a serious illness you would like to overcome. I want to tell you one of the inner approaches I used when I had cancer. Gosh, it's 16 years ago now. So my inner thinking was, I want to clear up as many old traumas as I can, because I don't want my energy tied up with fending off the effects of those, hearing negative voices, or feeling bad about myself, or having parts of my body crunched down and resisting because of these traumas I haven't resolved. And lucky for me, I was living with my mom at the time. So there were plenty of childhood unresolved things that were just in my face. So I thought every time there was something like that in my face, I thought, swell, here's a chance for me to clear that up with TAT. And also I had family members calling me on the phone saying, you should not be doing what you're doing. You should be listening to your doctor and doing exactly what your doctor says, and none of this complementary medicine stuff or whatever they were advising. So I had plenty of family interaction that was like, stirring things up for me. So it gave me plenty of chances to do TAT. And I'm sure if you have a serious illness, you've got all kinds of people with your best interests in mind, telling you what to do, how to think, how you're wrong, how it's wrong for you to spend your money, time, and energy doing that. You should be doing this. So there is so much that gets stirred up when you're dealing with a serious illness. Plus, there's stuff like, how do you feel about the possibility of dying, if that's one of the possibilities for you with what you've got going on? And then after a while, you'll probably have, like I did, thoughts like, who am I going to be without this? What am I going to do? What's life going to be like? So all of that stuff, you just keep doing TAT about it. I just kept getting lighter, happier, and more joyous and energetic as I did TAT as I had cancer. Plus, if you notice there are any foods you're allergic to, medications, vitamins, whatever, you can do your healing with TAT about that and totally change your relationship with those foods, vitamins, supplements, whatever. So it's an opportunity for you to pay attention to everything going on in your life that's influencing you in a held back, negative way, and boom, clear it up right away. Okay, hope this helps you out. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.